Saka has to score. It's saved by Donnarumma, and it's Italy who are the champions of Europe. Penalties.
It didn't come home. Never mind. Back to Arsenal. Come on. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Storage Unit Tatsters. If you are new here, my name's George Ross. This channel is Retro Reselling, and I buy and sell things that are new, used, antique, vintage, retro, collectible, wherever it is, and I like it. I'll buy it cheap from places like boot sales, charity shops, auctions, places like that, and then sell it online at places like eBay, Depop, Etsy, Facebook, wherever I can sell it to make a profit. That's what I do. And it's Monday morning now, which means it's time to wrap the weekend orders. Obviously, I was here last Friday to work anyway, so we've got Saturday, Sunday, and I think I sold something today as well, Monday morning. 8 orders on eBay, 3 on Depop, which is really good, nice and strong, and some really nice sales as well. So we'll strap you to my head using the head mount, whack you on there, poke myself in the eye, and take you across all my units to find what I sold, pick them out, show you what they were, how long they've been lingering around for, what I spent, and then obviously what they sold for. Put a little screenshot on the screen so you can see. Hopefully pick up some tips and tricks, things to look out for when you're out in the field looking for good quality tat. Right, let's get you on then and let's get picking. So off we go. We're going to start with Depop as they're all shoes. We've got a pair of Nike Total 90 trainers. Right, in fact I found all 3 real quick, so we can go through each one in order that they sold. These were the first ones. Obviously they're all bagged up, but I'll do my best to show you. These are Nike Total 90 AstroTurf football trainers. So no studs, just like obviously so you can play indoors and things like that. Again, listed on eBay and Depop, so I cross list, and obviously when it sells I have to take it off straight away. I do it straight away as soon as I can on the other one, obviously to save double selling, which would be a nightmare. So Depop got this sale and it was $32.99 plus $2.99 postage. Really strong price. These are from Shoes and Boots Man, owe me £8, I think these were £8 or £10, so a nice markup. Obviously again, really easy to post and everything like that. That's why I love footwear. Again from Shoes and Boots Man, got this Nike TN Air Max Plus. Paid a bit more for these, paid up £20, and again listed on eBay and Depop. Depop got the sale, £65 plus $2.99 postage. Again, it's like flat $2.99 because Depop is only like shoes, trainers, which is the same thing, clothing, things like that. So I just stick on $2.99 for everything. 20 to 65, again paying up a little bit for the right thing. Nice healthy profit, and again just as easy to ship out. And then last one for Depop is these Nike Air Force Ones. Not the best looking ones, slightly worn on the suede, black suede leather on the top, like a tan gum finish to the soles. These were a smaller size, 5.5. I think these owe me about £5. I can't remember off the top of my head, but not much. But they've gone for £20 plus $2.99 postage again. Bread and butter, nice and easy yet again. 3 sales in a weekend on Depop, really like that. I like diversing my sales, so it's not just solely reliant on one platform. We're getting multiple sales from multiple platforms, bringing in that money. So if one thing's having a slowdown, another platform should hopefully pick it up. And yeah, 3 sales from one platform that's not eBay, so loving that. Just to show how quick and easy it is, literally just grabbing a bag, postal bag. I use compostable bags, 100% compostable composter pack. Links in the description to these bags. So obviously it's a bit plasticky, but if you can compost it and use it twice, yeah, not just using plastic, use it once, throw it away, add into landfill. Sort of guilt-free postal bags. Just gonna wrap it up, make it nice and tight, pull, stick, done. Do a tick, Air Force One, so I know what's in there, and that's how quick it is. Simple, easy. Yeah, trainers, love selling them. And I picked up a load more yesterday on Sunday. So it's Depop done and dusted. We're now on eBay. Scroll to the bottom and we're starting with another pair of footwear. I think they're right on top here. Nice pair of Timberland boots here. These are Timberland 2.0 Euro Sprint in a wheat brown colour. UK size 10, really nice size. Bought these for £3 at a boot sale, listed in May, a couple of months to sell, but it's gone for £40, 47 pence. plus postage. That £2.99 postage again, £3 to 40, absolutely awesome. Obviously not every single pickup will be £3 into 40, like when I'm paying 10 to 30. You know, they can't all be this good of a markup, but when you do get them like that, yeah, love it. This was a super quick sale. Put these up. Again, already bagged up so I don't miss all the pieces, but I put it on the screen. This was the vintage Thomas the Tank Engine like miniature train track made by Bluebird on the back here. Bluebird, made in 1996. Bluebird stuff tends to be worth a bit of money. Seem to make good quality items, especially in the 90s. So look out for that. This was £5 last Wednesday, so not even a week. Listed it I think on Friday or Thursday, and it sold over the weekend. £24.99 plus postage. Nice little markup again, nice and small and light. Small box, pad it out, onwards it goes. Got a VHS player now, and here is the media player section, so I'm gonna have to hunt the one that I've just sold, which I think is this one here. Bear with me. Right, I managed. Here we go. Nice Sony Smart Engine VHS player, no remote, no manual, literally just a unit on its own. Nice and simple. Paid £5 at a boot sale, listed in April, so it took a bit longer to sell. 2.5 months to sell, which is fine. I sort of like to sell things within 3 months if I can. Hit my target, my personal target I like. This is the SLV SE720. £5 into £42.99 plus £6.99 postage. Obviously got to take a lot more care. VHS players can be a pain in the bum, obviously lots of moving parts, so yeah, make sure it's nice and sturdy in a box so it's not like rattling around. Nice and sturdy with lots of like brown paper or bubble wrap, whatever you choose to use, in a nice strong box. Should get that okay. Nice profit. Got a projector this time, another electronic, which is a lot easier to get out. Just here. Excuse me, scooter. This was a really nice item. I've sold something like this quite recently, a month or so ago. This is a Kodak M55L movie projector. Bought this at a boot sale for £10 and it was in lovely condition. There you go, even got the original inserts here. So it comes like this, and then you open it out, and then there's the projector there, nice and clean. Looks like it's hardly ever been used. The lady I bought it from, she bought it from a cash converters originally, and it had a £20 cash converter sticker on, or £15 cash converter sticker on, and she only sold it to me for £10, which was really nice. I would have paid 15 for that because yeah, it's in such nice condition. It's got its original booklet as well, again nice and clean. And even this was extra cool, look at this, it's got its deposit receipt on. Someone paid £28 deposit for this projector. Yeah, really cool. Don't think it says the year unfortunately, but definitely looks like 70s or early 80s. But I always love finding the original receipts. This adds a bit of character. I do add that in the pictures and in the description. This adds a bit of charm. So yeah, £10. What did it sell for? It sold for a hefty £49.99 plus £5.99 postage. Really easy to post. Obviously it's already been protected for me with the original inserts, so nicely padded out there, not going to shake around, and this is going to add protection. So we've just got to worry about boxing this up. Obviously protect the box because this is in nice condition as well. Obviously with being vintage it's going to have a couple of marks, but for a vintage cardboard box, yeah, that's in nice condition. Again, another strong profit. Another 10 to 50 pounder is up here. This will be a lot easier to get out again, and another super quick sale. This sold in a matter of 2 days, like 48 hours from buying to selling. This is a Humax Freeview Plus HD recorder box. Went to town with Amy on Thursday, I think it was, last week. Just went, she was meeting a cousin, so I went around the charity shops, of course, and then met up with them. Found this. It was £10 in a charity shop. That was on Thursday, and then sold, I think, on Sunday or Saturday for £49.99 plus £4.99 postage. Bit lighter than this one here. This is £5.99, this is £4.99. Should go a bit cheaper. So again, perfect. £10 to 50s. If every sale was 10 to 50, then yeah, then that would just be perfect. So loving this sort of pickups here. I've got one more pair of trainers which I saw earlier, which are these ones here. Just make sure they're the right ones. These weren't from Shoes and Boots Man, this is from another seller, just a private seller. We agreed on £22.50 I paid for these.
Trainers, he's got 25 now. Yeah. Do 22.50, meet me in the middle in case he,
yeah, go on then.
in case he tells me off.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. I'll do that. Yep.
I said, well, I'll just go down the middle.
Really, really nice Air Max 95s. Researching them, they were the Seattle Seahawks colourway, like NFL team, which is really nice. So yeah, that's quite cool and original. Really nice condition as well, excellent condition for being used. And from a £22.50 they have sold for £70. Accepted an offer this morning. This is the sale from this morning with my breakfast. Went back and forth. I think they were listed at 100, something like that. They offered 60, I came back at 80, and we met at £70 in the end, which is really nice from £22. Again, whack it in a bag, off it goes. Could put it in a box because they cost a bit more just to protect them a bit. So yeah, really strong sale again. Last two items we have sold are slightly bigger. The first one is right down there. Here we go. We have a garden camping chair. Yep. Do you recognise this one? It's the one that isn't in very good condition, like when it comes to the supports. But I declared that, took pictures, explained it, so it shouldn't be any surprise at all to the buyer. Now I've got to work out what way this goes. Got the pads that come off separately. This is what sold it for me. Love the pattern, love that the cushions come off and they're a bit thicker, so comfy to sit on. It does support weight, as you saw in the video. I did sit on it, held me up nicely throughout the video, so all good. Again, paying £10 for this, seems to be a theme, buying things for 10. Not quite £50, but we've got £47.59 this has gone for. Whew, and the postage of £8.99, so a bit more because it's going to be bigger once I've folded it up. There you go, folds flat, so I'm going to use a bit of shrink wrap just to hold that together. I've got my massive boxes, so I can wrap it in a cardboard box as well, tape it up, and that should go a parcel force for, yeah, the £8 to £10 mark. Should be £8. I've got a local depot parcel force, so I can drop it off there. That saves me a bit more money. I don't have to worry about annoying, like, disgruntled post office workers like dropping off this massive parcel, which is handy. And again, another nice sale. And here is the last pickup, this absolutely beastly Technics set. Got the main components here: amp, sound processor, cassette deck, and 5-disc CD player with the matching speakers, manual, remote, external speakers as well. It's got the lot. This is from a hi-fi guy, another contact that I've made over the years. Always gets high quality stuff, always tests it before he sells it to me, always honest. So if there is something wrong with it, then I already know before I put any money down. Got this set along with a few other things from him. This was probably about a month ago. Only listed this recently, listed in July, my notes say. And it's gone for £170. Took an offer on that. I did chance it higher. It started at £220, I believe. Then after a couple of weeks, put best offers on. Someone made an offer, £170 plus the postage. I've got £15 postage on this. It's probably gonna have to go in 2 lots, speakers and then this lot as well. I'll try and get in the same box if I can, but I don't want to risk damages. So yeah, a very hefty sale to finish this video off with. Very good weekend in sales. I've already packed my other bits here. Nice trolley load, and that's without starting to pack this stuff up. So full trolley, lots of profit, especially them £10 to 50s. That's the exact sweet spot. £10, so it's a decent item. People are asking £10 for it at a boot sale. I'm getting 50. Yeah, that's what I like to average at. Average price of £40 to £50 over like the 90-day span, which I could work out now actually. If I get my current 90-day total and then divide it by how many I've sold, 339 sold. So my average selling price currently for the past 90 days on eBay, not anywhere else, is £45, 35 pence. So yeah, bang on average. Like I said, I aim between £40 and £50 average sale price per item over the 90-day period, so things are looking good. Obviously the start of this year was looking shocking. I had no stock sometimes. It was not looking good, but thankfully now we're in July. Yeah, things have turned around. Sales are going up, picking up good items as well, consistently as well, boot sale after boot sale. So hopefully, touch wood, it continues this way. That's everything. If you did enjoy this, smash that like button for me, helps me out in the video. And if you are new here, enjoy this sort of content, then consider subscribing, hitting that bell so you know as soon as I go live or upload new videos, you get notified straight to your phone or device, whatever. Nice one, George. Thanks for watching again. See you later. Bye.